So let's talk about your landing page. Sometimes you may create an ad that goes directly to your website. Sometimes people create a landing page that is on their website, but is geared to a specific offer that's a part of their current campaign. And so that landing page needs to be set up in a way that is high converting for your visitors. The best way, honestly, is to hire someone to create a landing page for you. Hiring someone who has expertise and know how to create a landing page that has the right layout, the right copy, the right design that is high converting to your visitors. And so honestly, we don't always have the money, right? We don't always have the money to pay for someone to create a landing page for us. So you will have to do it on your own, right? And we've all been there. I know I've been there. I had to create my whole website by myself before, and it took so long, right? That's why I'm creating this webinar now to show you free and easy ways to make your website amazing and automate sales to it. So back to the landing page. So I have a tool here that I actually got this tool from Neil Patel, and he is, if you don't know him, you are not a true business person. I'm just playing. But Neil Patel is like a marketing guru. He's one of those, those top marketing leaders in our industry. And he had a video about landing pages, and he shared a great tool that's called GetResponse. So I'm going to share with you what GetResponse is and how you can use it to create your landing pages. It creates landing pages, they create ads, they create email marketing campaigns. And so it's a really great tool to use if you're doing your website by yourself and you're low on funds. Now, if you have the funds to pay someone, I highly recommend for you to just pay someone to be able to do the landing page for you. But this is a great alternative if you don't have those funds. So here we are. We are at GetResponse. You can see it says sign up for free. And here's some of the features. You can create your own website on here if you want to. I don't recommend that. But email marketing will be great. They have templates that is already high converting for you to use. They have conversion funnels that's already high converting. Marketing automations, live chat, landing pages. And so let's click that one just so you can see. So they have different landing pages that is already laid out for you to input your copy, input your webinar video. You can input whatever you want to put into the landing page is already created for high converting visitors. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, oh, I don't want to have the same landing pages as everyone else. You're able to actually change the landing page up. So you don't have to keep that same template. You can switch the colors out to your branding colors. You can switch the words out. You can even switch the design up a little bit. But I would recommend keeping their layout, because the layout is actually what is attracting those visitors to make a sale or to click that button that will take them to the next step in the sales funnel. After you create your landing page, and I believe it is a premium version, and to actually use you can use it on GetResponse and just lead your visitors to GetResponse as a landing page. I do not recommend sending your visitors to a third-party platform. I recommend that you copy the HTML code that GetResponse will give you for that landing page. You can copy that code and literally insert the code into your WordPress site or your Wix site or any site really. And you'll be able to, and the landing page will pop up on your site. And so now you own that page. And when the visitors go to the site, you have control as to where they go to next. The next thing that you'll need on your landing page is a button, of course. So you'll need lots of buttons, actually. If you have a landing page that only has one button that says join here, and it's all the way at the top, and as people scroll down, there's no more buttons that's influencing them to buy, that is not a high converting landing page. You must have multiple buttons on there to inspire your customer to buy. So after you can explain, okay, this is why we created this program, or this is how we got inspired by this product, and then have a video there, and then have a small paragraph, and then have your button there that says buy now. Then you explain some more. How did we create this product? Where do we get the supplies from, right? And then you say buy now. You explain some more, then you say buy now. So you have to always have these buttons that is inspiring your visitor to buy. Now, it doesn't have to say buy now. It can say schedule here. It can say learn more. It can say whatever your brand messaging is that will lead your visitors in and turn them into customers or clients. So after you have great copy, you have your call to action buttons, you have a layout that is high converting and the designs are consistent, then you have a landing page that's ready to go. Now, if you're still unsure about how to bring sales to your website, then you need to join our web branding program. Now, this program is designed for people to accelerate their online presence in only 3 months. So in 12 weeks, you'll have a full modern website, either a WordPress site or a Wix site that will be set up with your branding in mind. We do not use templates. We create each of our websites from scratch. So if you already have a website or you need a website, we can help you elevate your website to receiving automatic sales flows in only 12 weeks. It's time for you to boost your time and build your brand because you deserve high quality, modern, up-to-date websites. Your website should not look like anyone else's website out here. Your brand should not look like anyone else's brand out here. It should be uniquely to you and your audience. Now, if you don't know who your audience is, we will help you with that. We will help you analyze your entire brand to receive automatic sales. This program is for you if you are a business owner who desires to automate your sales through your website. If you are an entrepreneur who is simply looking for help with their branding and their website, if you're willing to put in the work, because yes, it's going to be 12 weeks and it's going to be a lot of work that we're going to be doing in those 12 weeks. But at the end of those 3 months, you're going to have a full website running and receiving automatic sales. And that website will be connected to your social media sites. It will have full SEO and full branding. So if you're able to put in that work, we're able to work with you and make that happen in only 3 months. Now, this program is not for you if you're not willing to invest in the marketing tools that's needed to grow your brand, if you're not willing to invest in yourself, if you run a most high-level marketing business, you're just not for us. And if you have no desire to automate your sales, if you're saying, hey, I'm okay, I like to fill out each email myself, and that's okay. Some people like to write each email out to their clients, and maybe you have the time to do that. But if you don't have the time to write out those emails, if you don't have the time to constantly create your website and make all these changes each month, and you feel like you're constantly making changes to your site, then you need to join this web branding program. We are here to help you accelerate your digital setup by automating your website and your sales flow. Now, it's more than just creating a group program or a group coaching call that we meet every other week. No, this program meets with you one-on-one every week until the job is done. We don't just create your website and let you go. No, we create a launch strategy for you. How will you launch your new site? How will you launch your new brand? So it is time for for you to get the help that you deserve. It's really time for you to get the full service, not halfway service, not halfway advice. We're here to walk with you step by step to make sure that your website and your sales flow and your brand is completely set up and ready for the world to see. If you believe that you are that entrepreneur that needs help in their digital setup, then I entice you to click that button above or click that button below to really apply for our program, because you deserve those sales to come in automatically. I know as an entrepreneur myself that we put in so many unpaid hours that goes unnoticed. There's been times I've sat here by myself up all night trying to figure out something and trying to make things work. And sometimes you just need someone to have your back, to be there with you every step of the way and help you make your business a success, because you deserve it. So let us help you. Let us help you boost your time and build your brand.